Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 3. Given the universal sets which are even numbers between 0 and 30. Now, subset P are multiples of 6 between 0 and 30. Subset Q are multiples of 4 between 0 and 30. Now we're asked to find P, the complement of P union Q. The complement of P union Q is what we're asked to find. Now, the universal set U will be expressed as, since U is an even number between 0 and 30. Now these even numbers includes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Now these are the numbers. Now the subset P is equals to, it says multiples of 6 between 0 and 30 and are even numbers, because the universal sets are even numbers. Now these multiples of 6 include 6 itself, 12, 18 and 24. Then the subset Q says multiple of 4 between 0 and 30. Now this includes 4, 8, 16, 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. Now the question now say P union Q is what we're looking for now. Now P union Q is equal to the contents of P and the contents of Q. Now P union Q will be equals to, we have 4, 6, 8, 12, 18, 16, 18, 20, 24 and 28. Now this is P union Q, that is the content of Q and also the content of P. Now but the question says that the complement of P union Q, that is the inverse of P union Q, that which is not present in P union Q. Now looking at it from the universal set, those that are absent from P union Q, so we have P union Q complement now, or negation, will be equals to, now P union Q we have 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20, 24 and 28. So P union Q negation, or P union Q bad, will be 2, 10, 14, 22, 26. Now if you look at this, all these are components of the universal set but are absent in P union Q, that is, they are not the content of P union Q. So this is the answer to this question: 2, 10, 14, 22, 26, and that is option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.